Top chat. Goal. Chat publicly as live trading desk with Sage FT.
I like what you're saying. I like what you're saying. I got another wink. Another no.
Are you sure about that?
No.
All right, good morning, traders. Let's get a mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mr. Eric, it's a good morning to you. All right, first thing I want to do is I want to remind everyone we are non-farm payroll in 24 minutes. 24 minutes. All right. So daily is up, and up. Looks like they're going to test this high-to-high trend line, this last little piece of the high-to-high trend line on the daily. All right. Let's go get the narrow range fixed, 3850s. Is the closest narrowest range. And we are at 25. That's what I thought. So we need 13 points, 13 and a half points to go outside narrow range. All right. So we will be using the K channels until we go outside the narrowest range. I have a feeling we're going to go outside the narrowest range when this news release comes in. Now I had a thought. Here's my thought. Follow me out. If everybody knows that the stock market is going to go up when Trump is elected, you should be worried. If everyone knows the stock market's going up, including your Uber driver, you should be worried. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. Okay. You're playing with fire, is all I have to say. Yes, this looks like it's building a huge base for another leg up. You're playing with fire. So really, there's nothing to say on the daily chart until we move away from this level, down or up. Moving on to the 4-hour chart. They're really struggling with this Globex gap. that is. Here's the deal. Today, we're either going to go way above it or we're going to go way below it. Get ready. Worst thing that can happen for day traders is the market doesn't move at all. That's the worst thing that can happen. This just looks like it's bumping its head like a fish in the fishbowl, and then eventually, what it's going to do, it's either going to jump out of the fishbowl, or it's going to. So either three things, obviously, right? It'll stay in the fishbowl. Okay, it'll jump out of the fishbowl, or it'll punch right through the glass. One or the other. One or the other. Let's take a look at news. All right. Michael Bowman at 9:25. Non-farm payrolls at 8:30. Consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. Wholesale inventories 10 a.m. Buckle up, fam. Buckle to the up. All right, well, I'll go over here and now check my levels. I get my levels from Mr. Mancini himself. From Mr. Mancini himself. I seem to have to remake my charts about every 2 or 3 times that I turn NinjaTrader off. About every other time I have to redo my charts. It's really quite annoying. Really quite annoying. So people wonder why I say don't turn off NinjaTrader. Don't turn off NinjaTrader. You're going to get frazzled one time and you're going to go, what? How does this just not work? Oh, because it's NinjaTrader? It's that simple. You didn't have to cut me off. What's the name of that song? Okay, watching the 15-minute line break. All my Mancini levels are gone. That is just a son of a bitch, isn't it? But Gautier. That's right. Somebody that I used to know by Gautier. I remember. I guess I'm starting with some fresh Mancini's, fam. Let's have a moment of silence for all the levels that I had on my chart. So stupid, man. $66.70. He's still locked in on those levels. He says there's still the support. Well, the only lines that are on my chart are today's Mancini's. So there's that bright side of it, I guess. And don't forget to smash the like button. If you're watching us on Kick, welcome. Hello. How you doing? My name is Reverend Wood. I go by Sage FT. I know there's a few of you that are new. We're streaming also over on the YouTubes. I trade the S&P 500 E-mini futures contract is what you're seeing here. Ticker symbol ES. Mr. Brian O'Donnell, it's a good morning to you. Mr. Mario, good morning. Morning. Okay, was that the liquidity draw on the 15-minute? Okay, at the high to high trend line on the 2-minute chart now. Decision. I want to remind everyone we've got 12 minutes till the biggest news of the week. From the Natty, NATI, Mr. James Jones, that's a good morning to you. From the Natty. Oh, Cincinnati. You had me on that one. I thought we were talking some National Geographic extravaganza or something. I'm not really sure what I was thinking there. Anyone else? Anyone else in the old Ohio? Got a pretty funny video yesterday. If you guys haven't watched it, I was trading the micros, and what Elijah and Madi did is they made a video of my face every time I took a loss. You're gonna love it. If you haven't watched it, watch the video. It's for your entertainment, folks. Trust me. Look, the loss was $48 plus $3.64 in commissions, right? So enjoy the look on my face. Enjoy the look on my face. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you want to be a part of Team Green, all you got to do is hit that $, hit the membership button, and you are locked in. We've got 7-minute abs. We've got 7-minute abs, everybody. I want to remind you, who has 7 minutes? Okay. We've come up with a 6-minute ab. Non-farm payroll, 8:30 a.m., 7 minutes. I might have gout in the top of my knee. I cannot move my knee. I don't know if I've ever had it right here before. Ooh, sweet mercy. All right, what I'm going to do after the news comes out, I'm going to wait for all of the randomness to come out. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade my pattern, my process, on repeat. All right, so we are in the chop zone. at this time. I'm here. Just have the camera off for a minute. Gotta figure out what's up with my knee. I don't know if I can make it straight or what. Hold on. Well, there you go. There's a bar that okay was at 30 points and went nowhere. Yeah, I'm not sure about anyone making any money on that bar right there. I'm pretty sure everyone just had to hit the reset button. I'm almost certain of it. Almost locked in, 100% guaranteed. I lost $1,500 in 1 second doing that. You put a bracket, right? You put a sell stop down at the bottom. You put a buy stop at the top. What happens, folks? We all know how this works, right? What does it do? Right? Yeah. It hits you on both of them, right? It hits you on both sides, and you lose $1,500 in a fraction of a second that you couldn't afford, right? Yep. No, and if you say anything other than yep, okay, you're full of shit. That's how I lost $1,500 in 1 second. Well, it took a couple seconds for it to come back to my computer, so we'll say 3 seconds, right? That's the quickest I ever lost $1,500 real money that I couldn't afford. Thanks, John Carter. He said, well, if you just bracket this and then when this comes out and it said, bleep, blap, bam, minus $1,500 plus commissions. Before I could even, what happened? What? Slap. It's the slap chop. Oh, yeah. Mr. Chadwick, it's a good morning to you. Pivot point is 94 and change. Did we get enough range? It got us close. I don't know if it got us exact. No. Still need 8.5 points. Okay, so if we turn this visibility back to days. So if we turn this back on, see the gap that we're working in with here? This is the conundrum here. That's the quagmire. That's a lot of green bars. Do they drag them down to the tails of it again? Or do they rip this thing right back up through the OOs? There it goes. Stop them all out and run them. There it goes. There it goes. Now, did they get all the stops they needed? Did they get all the buy side liquidity that they needed right there? Was that enough? Let's find out. Okay, let's find out here. Watch 95s. Or the lack thereof, right? That's a lot of green bars. The only way that so this would look like a beautiful pinprick or a draw on buy side liquidity if they can get a red bar. Okay, if they can't get a red bar, 01, 05, 01, 09 above. Hard. That's so awesome. This will be a short stream. This will be a short stream. Yep. It's going to be a real short stream. I promise you that. Going to be over in probably about 3 minutes. Yeah, maybe 7. Probably won't even make it to 9 a.m. Yep. It's going to be over soon. Going to be over real soon. I'll tell you when. Here it comes. If we get an uptick to about 13, you're gonna see me turn the stream off. And I'm gonna tell all you guys I'll see you Monday. Here it comes. I'm very bullish. Very, very bullish. And get ready. Yep. You guys have fun. You didn't have to cut me off. Actually, it'll be about 11:50, and I'll say, see you guys later. See ya. No, I'm going to bed. Going to sleep. Going to sleep. Going to bed. No, it's toying with me, right? Because it's going to go to 7, and then it's going to go to 11, and I'm going to go, see you guys later. See you Monday. Bye. It was not fun. See ya. Real. It's been real fun. It's been real and fun, but not real fun, right? That's what I'm going to say. Watch it. It's going to go to 7. Mark my fucking words. It's going to go to 7 and 11. Watch. 7, 11. Here it comes. And then I'll say, peace out. I'm out. A-town down. I'm kidding, guys. Peace up, A-town down. What is that? I can hear it. Is that Lil Jon? Yeah. They need more stops first. Yeah. 01 coming, Joey, right? I don't know. No clue. It's going to go 7, 11. Like the craps table. We have a flat. So if you look at it right now, we have absolute on the 2-minute chart here. We have absolute narrow state, right? Narrow state. So there's no trade at all. Okay, now you can go up. Touch that perfectly flat 200, now you can go up. Folks, I'm just messing with the market, right? I'm just messing with it. We got 13 and a half minutes to my favorite time of the morning. Go Gadget cell phone. You know, his cell phone kind of looked like a Qualcomm, didn't it? Or a what, BlackBerry? Qualcomm phone. They don't have Qualcomm. Qualcomm's the chip inside of it. I never figured out back in 1998, 99, and 2000, because I was a knucklehead, I never did research, right? I was always like, why is Qualcomm so expensive? Right? What's the deal with Qualcomm, right? And then you realize Qualcomm is in every single cell phone that there is on the planet, no matter what. Not yet, Darko. Not yet, buddy. 13 minutes. But 11 and a half minutes. 12 and a half minutes. Math and a half minutes. Yeah, 101 over the past few days, right? Now he has it at 109, 116, 130, but 101 was the over-under over the past few days. If you just kind of zoom out and take a look-see, right where my cursor is, you can see it. There's the 01s. All right, so now, fam, on the 2-minute, not the 15-minute, on the 2-minute chart, the big bull bar was 050 open. So now what? Right now that we just printed 01s, real close anyway, right? 0125. It's close enough. That's close enough for government work anyway, right? I play the pass line. The pass line works very, very well if you don't really know what you're doing on the craps table. All right, so they have to complete that business at 0075. Excuse me. Completed business at 0025. You have a hole between 0075 and 150. They've filled half of the hole. Can they fill the rest of it? That would put it at 0075. Nick, craps is really fun, but the best craps is the bubble craps. Instead of standing at the big craps table, right? Just go to that little machine where it goes. It looks like the game of Trouble, right? And just get you and your friends around that one because you can. It's better. Ow. The little machine. Not the little one where you play by yourself. The big one where there's 6 seats or 8 seats. You know what I'm talking about? And then and everybody can just quickly lock in instead of having to wait. This is a big time trap on both sides, folks. Now, think about all the other people going, okay, this is going down now. This is going down now. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. It's like, is it? Is it going down? Is it A-Town down? G'd up, A-Town down? G's up, A-Town down. I'm kidding. Yeah, not the tube one. You don't want the tube one because that's just you're not playing with anyone else, right? You want all the other players because it gets exciting, right? And what's cool is like your broke ass friend can play too on those ones, right? You can bet $5 or $10, they can bet $1, right? That guy that knows that you're not going to win because he's mathematically calculated it out. It's like, come on, man, $1. All right. So completed business at 0125. Is it straight up from here? Or is this a little fakey poo at narrow state on the 2-minute chart? In Vegas, they moved all of the limits up to $15, right? So, if you're going to learn craps, I recommend that's not kind of the way to do it on a 15. But that little bubble machine, you can do it for $1. The easiest way to learn craps is just go to one of the free craps websites and just play free for fake chips. We got 7.5 minutes to my favorite time of the morning. It'll be the top of the hour soon. Shall we flip the coin? This is what we call narrow state. Let's go ahead and flip it. It's heads. Las Vegas is fun as long as you're not a degenerate. There's a million things to do. Going to see one of those Cirque du Soleil shows, folks, that's one of the most amazing things you're ever going to see in your life. It is absolutely out of this world. We watched the one O or whatever, the water one. What? Say they're trying to buy this thing, folks. What's going to happen here? The coin says up. They're buying this thing. Can they sustain it and push it or not? Because I mean, you can see it kind of frothing on the tape, right? But does it pop or fizzle, right? Do they burn the popcorn? Oh. It would have to be a big red bar. Just wait for the big guys to come through, Darko, for the monster trucks. Just wait for the big names that your son loves. And then it doesn't matter where you go. And every once in a while, they'll do a European tour. Share the redneck splendor with the Europeans. It's too obvious that they're just going to bring it back to the moving average and then take it higher, right? Like, so think about it. It's either too obvious and it's going to fall flat on its face, or it's so obvious that why the F are you not long? I don't know the answer as to which one it is. Okay. I'm beginning to believe that it's going to pop right here and go right through 14. That's what I'm starting to believe. But I don't know. So are you guys long or short? No more cryptic talk bullshit. Either you're long or you're short, guys, or just don't print anything. Don't say anything at all. It's that simple. Nobody wants to get out their decoder rings to try to figure out what you guys are saying. Long or short, guys. Okay? L or S, or don't say anything. Because people are getting annoyed with it, right? Yeah, it's great that you're calling numbers, but long or short, and talk what you're doing. Straight up. I'm talking to G-Man and Joey. I think it's bullish, right? 09 Mancini, straight to 16, slap in the face. You can see it bubbling. The thing is, like, the 20 was under the 200. Yeah, it's going up. I know. What am I? Everybody should be long. You should be long, green, hey, long. And I'll be ending the stream if we get about not too much higher. It'll be a good day for not me. So it'll just be the end of my week. I'm just going to end a shit week, and that's going to be the end of it. You'll see when I walk away. While you guys are all long, I'm just hanging out here in these combine accounts getting slaughtered. So enjoy. Not my week of trading, folks. Not my week of trading. I'm just gonna limp. I'm just gonna limp out of here in about 3 points. Oh, sorry, 2.5 points. Because I suck at trading. Out of process will take everything you've ever worked for. So yeah. No, this week I suck at trading. I will have to reset every account that I own. And I think I did it in, I don't know, 5 minutes or something like that. I don't know. Undid all the profit and lost everything about 5 minutes. It's just one of those weeks for me. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. So when this thing goes about another 4 points from here, you'll see the stream end, and that'll be the end of it. So 13 will be the end of the stream. Oh, no, I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to go to sleep. I need sleep. You guys can't see my eyes? And you're thinking, well, why doesn't he just go long right here? Because I'd rather be pissed off. You didn't watch the video from yesterday? You didn't learn nothing? Here comes the trap. Here comes the trap. They're about to snap this thing. And I don't know which direction, right? My guess is up, right? The coin said up. Yep, and I'm short. So we'll see how quick it takes me out and I go back to bed. Hopefully quickly, or we just go straight down from here and make me look like a hero. 15 minutes is disgustingly ugly. I find it peculiar that we jumped right off of the 15-minute 200 simple. Okay, and didn't actually touch the 87 Mancini. Oh no, I'm just trading like an absolute donkey. Guys, don't look into it. No process whatsoever. I'm literally just pushing the button. It's my version of tilt. I'm down 90 real American dollars this week, or 140 real American dollars this week, right? So it's not like I've blown accounts or anything like that. It's just all the prop firm accounts are smoked. So, and there will be 2 of them smoked again in less than an hour if we get above 13. And I don't have my caffeine. I'll be right back. Let me go get it, and we will get a cheers going for everybody. Everybody wish the market lower. And it's going to be a cheers, everybody. Good morning to you. Team Green, spam the emote. Someone needs to make Mahdi green. Apex. Well, for now, right? And then probably just the simulator next week. Once these two blow out, probably just go back to the simulator for a hot minute and not give the prop firms any of my money and figure out why I keep trading like a dodo head. Oh, Joey, it keeps trying to send me tax documents, right? And I'm like, yeah, remind me later, right? Like every time you log into the bank, every time. Your tax documents are ready. Would you like them? No, not right now. No, not right now. Thank you. All the gas receipts. Oh my God. All just sorts of different receipts, right? Oh. We're going to go into red light here. I don't see any advantage. If you look at your spaghetti strings, now on this 2-minute chart, it looks like if you look at the moving averages, folks, watch the difference. Watch this. Look at how bullish this all looks. Look, it's so bullish. Oh my gosh. But watch this. I'm going to bring the same chart in. Watch this in a different perspective. Look at this. Look at how it doesn't really look very bullish anymore. Look at here and look at here. That's what I'm looking at. These two things right here. All of a sudden, yes, it's slightly bullish, but not like, and I'm being silly, right? But not bullish. Like, oh my gosh, look, it's going to the moon. It's straight up in the air. Look at it. Okay. So this is narrow state. All right. So let's bring in, let's look at, what does the analog tell us? Those of you that have been with us for a while, you know exactly what I'm about to show you. Bear with me as I show everybody else. Okay. We have what we call, the analog. Okay. This right here is narrow state. What we want to do is, this is the agreement in price. Now, look, I'm not the person that created this. I'm just the person that trades it. That is not doing any good. Okay. This is the disagreement in price. This is the agreement in price. We want to trade the disagreement in price. We want to trade right here. Okay. Flip it on its axis for shorts. That's not what I want. And so if you look, we're in the trap zone right now, right? What is this stupid thing doing? So is this a slow motion train wreck for the shorts or not? Right. That's the actual question. Do they draw on liquidity first or do they just rip them? Right. That's basically where we're at in this conversation. Man, they just pulled that. They just pulled the offer on that by 3 ticks. Did you guys just see that? It was just trading 7s, and then it went 775 by 8. What? $15 says longs only. 2-minute now says longs only. We're still the narrowest range of the last 7 trading days. We've got 19 minutes till the market opens. Feels like it's been eternity, folks. They're all the same. To be real honest, guys, they're all the same. The rules are all the same. There's no difference in them, right? I mean, some of them are more expensive than others. Some you are like some of them are preloaded where if you are already a funded trader and you just want to add accounts to what you're already trading, there's prop firms that you use for that. Like Tradeify has a straight to funded. Okay, MFF has a straight to funded. But if you're still not yet profitable trader and you're still willing to just continuously reset evals, well then Apex when it's 80% off, right? So there's many different things, right? And then so a lot of people talk about trailing drawdowns and stuff like that. Well, don't use Top Step. Okay, just I mean that's that simple. If you're worried about trailing drawdowns or running drawdowns. Doesn't it say it right here? MFFM. Isn't that straight to funded? The milestone program, right? Tradeify has the straight to funded. And then Take Profit Trader has no intraday drawdowns. I guess you're right. It's not the exact same thing. You're right. All right. Let's see if I make it to the opening bell today, folks. Probably not. It's a race to 13. 13 is going to end the stream. I see bullishness. If anyone's wondering what my tape count is, they're buying it. They're buying every downtick. They're not allowing them to exit. They're just they are going to slaughter the shorts here today. I will be one of them. Well, my prop firm test accounts that I just reset will be a part of the slaughter in about 3 points. It will be my day, and I will see you guys later. I hope all you guys make lots of money. You will be taking my prop firm money, my prop eval money. So good job. Yep, I'm supposed to be long, and I'm balls deep short. 20 contracts. This is what you don't do. Yep. Yep. Good thing it's only costed me about $1,000 this week instead of, whatever the accounts. If those were my real accounts, shit. $20,000, $30,000 losses. So whatever. It's a tax write-off now. Nothing I can do about it. Cheers. Yeah, I'm down. Let's see. On all of the accounts that I've lost this week, it's about $600. Probably won't be resetting them, if you're wondering. Probably won't. No, about $140 in real money. So, yep. I hope you guys win, and that'll be the end of my stream. 2 points. 2 points will be the end of my stream, and I will see you guys later. 6. Yeah. Probably not. I probably won't. Odds are about 1% of that happening. Because the odds of me risking that are about 0%. So that's not going to happen. Guys, here's the deal. You got to understand when you're in a slump, what are you guys going to bet more when you're in a slump? You're fucking stupid. Hold on. I've struck out 17 times. I want you to swing harder. Swing harder. Doesn't make any sense. You guys are missing it. Yeah, guys. Here's the deal. If the person that you follow doesn't have a bad week, they're full of shit. If the person that you follow never loses, you might want to reconsider who you're listening to. Yeah, like I said, folks, you saw what I was doing. I was in the micros, right? Okay. in my live account. I was trading 1 micro to get my head out of my keister. Okay? It didn't work. All right, 1 more point, 1.5 more points, and I'll see you guys on a different day. It will not be today. Unfortunately, it's too late for me to go back to sleep. So today is going to be a long day for me. Yeah, whatever. Off is an understatement. To be glad that I'm only in evals is an understatement. Just to fill you in, I'm short from 94. 94. 6094. After getting stopped out at 94 long. So, yeah. So enjoy that, right? Right here. Look. Yeah, I love it. I love scrolling through YouTube and looking at all these videos of these guys. Right here, here's the title. Here's the title. Plus $680 in the NQ futures today. You're so badass, dude. You're so badass. You're so badass, dude. Why don't you show us all the other videos that you deleted? Oh, I'm sorry. You know what I mean? Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, did it lock me out? Oh, did